Hello everyone and welcome back to Gossipfunda, and today we are going to fix an issue of Final Fantasy VII Ever Crisis game. The Ever Crisis is showing connection timeout error, so let's fix this issue. So as mentioned, the following issue occurred because of connection. So first of all, check your internet connection and make sure to provide a strong and stable internet connection. After that, clear cache data of application and make sure to update it on latest version. If this doesn't work, then simply check the server status of the game. You can use third-party website for server status data, or in spite of that, simply follow the official page of Ever Crisis game on X. It will provide you latest information regarding issues about the game. You can even try to run the game using a VPN. So these were some ways to fix your issue, but if still you are facing this issue, then simply contact the customer support of the game. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.